Hey Innovators, welcome back. I'm your host, that AI chick. Today we've got something super exciting to talk about, Creative Fabrica Studio. If you're into designing, creating, or just love dabbling in new tools, you're going to want to stick around. This is not just any design tool. It's like having a creative superpower right at your fingertips. So imagine this. You're sipping your coffee, the morning light is streaming in, and you decide, today's the day I'm going to create something spectacular. But where do you start? Enter Creative Fabrica Studio. Sounds fancy, right? Well, it kind of is. It's this fantastic online solution where you can create amazing designs perfect for print on demand, social media, and so much more. And guess what? You can even try it for free. Let's get started. All right, first things first, if you've never heard of Creative Fabrica before, you're in for a treat. I've made a few videos about it already. I'll add them to the description below for you if you want to learn even more. Think of it as the ultimate playground for fonts, graphics, embroidery bundles, and more. You can purchase individual items, or opt for the all-access subscription, which, let me tell you, is super affordable. Check out the links in the video description for more details. Just a heads up, those are affiliate links. So if you make a purchase using them, I might get a small commission. Win-win, right? Now, when you land on the studio homepage, you'll see this beautiful and inviting Go Beyond Ordinary banner. Click Start Designing and prepare to unleash your creativity. If you've used this already, you'll find your recent projects right in the middle, making it super easy to jump back into your latest masterpiece. But today, we're going to create something new, completely from scratch. Now, to create a new design, head over to the top right and click Add New Design. But before we go any further, I want to encourage you to check out the little sun graphic in the top right-hand corner. Click it to see what happens next. Pretty cool, huh? It lets you switch between night and day view, so you can set this up to fit your own individual preferences. Trust me, your eyes will thank you during those long, late-night design sessions. Navigating the main menu might seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry. It's pretty intuitive once you start exploring. You've got your top menu, you have your basic tools. On the left side menu, here are all your creative options, and over on the right, here is your Layers panel. Need to save your design? That's under the 3 horizontal lines here at the top. Lost your Layers panel? No problem, just toggle it back on. I encourage you to take a minute or two to explore what's inside each menu item here. Now, here's where the magic happens. You've got different size templates to choose from, or you can set your own dimensions. Whether it's pixels, centimeters, or inches, you've got the freedom to create exactly whatever floats your boat. For print-on-demand products, like a Merch by Amazon t-shirt, just click the template and you're set with the perfect dimensions. I really like that they have so many templates already created for the most popular design types. Now, we're going to work our way down on the menu here on the left. So, let's check out some templates. From social media graphics, to print-on-demand items, to craft products, there's a ton to choose from. You'll definitely want to take a few minutes and check out everything in here, because I bet you'll be surprised just what you might find. And for something really cool, let's check out the SparkAI tool. Just click on the middle button at the top up here on the left. Describe what you want the image to be. Choose the shape size you need, and then let the AI generate that unique image for you. It's almost like having a creative genie. You'll have loads of fun making all sorts of images inside here. Want to add some graphics? Using graphics are super easy. Just click on the graphics button, and you'll be presented with all sorts of images. You can also search for something in particular like hot dog, using the search feature if you want to, and then add it to your design. You can resize, rotate, and modify these graphics to your heart's content. Note, Some of these images are free, and some are not. If you want to use the premium images, the ones with GoPro written on them, you'll need to sign up for an account. Text is another powerful tool here. Inside, you can choose from a variety of fonts, adjust sizes, colors, and much more. It's super intuitive. Just type in your message, and then customize it to perfection. Next up, elements. Think of these as little extras that add flair to your design. Basic shapes, abstract images, lines, silhouettes, you name it. Want to add a circle or something else? Just choose the item, drag and drop, then customize the colors. It's easy and fun. You'll have a lot of fun adding these to your design. Need some photos? The photo library has got you covered. Look for whatever you need. Dogs, people, a beach scene, you name it. Heads up, some photos are free and some are for pro users, which will have a watermark on them, unless you have a pro account. Next, let's talk about backgrounds. These are a breeze to use. Change colors, choose from remade designs, or upload your own photos. You'll need to unlock the background to resize or move it as needed. The options are endless. Patterns are perfect for creating seamless designs. Tip: if you click on the icon with 4 boxes, after clicking on your image, it will transform your single image into a pattern that covers the whole board. If you click on the Uploads button, this is where you can see all the media, images, and more that you have uploaded to Studio. For now, you get 5 GB of storage as a user. There is also a draw option down here if you need it. Click on the draw button, and you'll find several markers and pen tools to use that you can also edit, change colors, and more. And at the very bottom is the Help button. Click on this if you have any questions for the Studio Genie. And for those of you who love working with vectors, the Vectorizer tool is a game changer. You can find it up at the top on the left. It is the big green V button. Upload an image, and it will transform it into a crisp, clear vector. This is perfect for scaling images without losing quality. And when you're ready to download, it will save it for you in the format of an SVG file. Lastly, if you scroll across the top menu to a button that has an up and down arrow in it, it is also bright pink when you scroll across it. That is Creative Fabrica's transfer product. Transfer is a file transfer service that allows you to send large and small files to others hassle-free. To upload files, simply drag the file you would like to send into the Dropbox. After submitting your file or files, simply fill out the form. Choose the recipient, write a short note, and add a subject line. It's that simple. Then hit send when you're ready to send. You can send up to 2 GB of files for free using transfer. So, once your design masterpiece is ready, downloading it is pretty straightforward. Choose between PNG, JPEG, or PDF. Want a transparent background? Select PNG and remove the background. Your design is now ready to share with the world. I highly recommend giving Creative Fabrica Studio a try. I've been a Creative Fabrica user and seller for years, and I love their products. I've included links in the description below if you want to check them out further for yourself. I hope you found this video helpful. Whether you're an aspiring artist, a beginner, or a seasoned pro, Mix It with AI is here to guide you every step of the way on your creative journey as we make art with AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.